Yo, good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Vici Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. Welcome back to the crypto world, everybody. What's going on, everybody? And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can buy ADA, or in another word, Cardano, in Kucoin. So for those people who do not know Kucoin is exchange. It's basically a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, all right? And for those people who do not know Cardano is also known as ADA or ADA, and it's a coin which says, like, it's going to defeat Ethereum because it also works under smart contract. I mean on smart contract, not under smart contract. All right, sorry for that. So let's see if they defeat Ethereum or not in the future, but let's get into the present, which is on how you guys can buy ADA on Kucoin. So for that, you just need to go into kucoin.com and log in into your account. Then before moving forward, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video, shall we? And let's move on. So the first step is you go on trade over here. Once you go in kucoin.com, go on spot. If you guys want to do margin and leverage trading, you can do that. If you guys don't know what that is, that's basically taking loan to do trading, and I don't like that, so I'm just gonna go on spot, and I advise you to go on spot as well. Once you're over here, you need to enter a 6-digit trading number, so I'm going to enter that. After you do that, if the password is correct, it's going to open up. Once it opens up, you just click on this arrow looking thing over here, and you want to search for ADA, which is called Cardano. So it says ADA/KSA, ADA/USDC, which means what thing you want to use to buy ADA. So I want to use USDC to buy ADA, so I'm going to go on ADA/USDC. Once I go on ADA/USDC, I'm going to go on market over here because I want to buy ADA on market price. So it shows how much amount of USDC I want to use to buy ADA. So I'm going to use 45 USDC to buy ADA. This is not 45 ADA I'm about to buy. This is 45 USDC worth of ADA I want to buy, all right? So this is not 45 ADA, so keep that in mind, all right? So don't get confused. So once you do that, you just need to click on buy ADA, and basically your ADA or your Cardano will be bought. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy Cardano on Kucoin. So hope you guys were able to understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if anything confused you in this video, you can ask me in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And basically, if you guys don't know what limit trade is, then basically in limit trade you can set a price. Like, let's say you set a price of $1. So when ADA reaches $1, currently it's $2, but let's say it drops and reaches $1, Kucoin will automatically buy it. That's basically what limit is. And by market, it means whatever price ADA is on right now, currently it's gonna buy it. So don't get confused, all right? So hope you guys were able to understand. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.